In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Venmo payment request easily. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where you've requested money from the wrong person or simply need to cancel a request, this tutorial will guide you through the steps on both the Venmo mobile app and the website. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about how to cancel a payment request using the Venmo mobile app, which is available for both iPhone and Android users. Start by opening the Venmo app on your smartphone. Once you're in, look towards the top left corner of your screen and tap on the menu icon, which appears as 3 horizontal lines. From there, navigate to your Me tab where you can select either the Requests or Incomplete section. This is where you'll find a list of all your outgoing payment requests. Locate the specific request you wish to cancel and tap on it to view more details. You should see an option labeled Cancel Request at the bottom of the screen. Tap it and don't forget to confirm the cancellation when prompted. And just like that, your request has been canceled. Now let's move on to canceling a request from the Venmo website. Start by visiting Venmo.com and logging in with your account credentials. Once you're logged in, head to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile picture or your name. Click on it to access your profile. Look for the Incomplete section, followed by Requests. This is where all your active payment requests reside. Browse through the list, and when you find the request you wish to cancel, click the Cancel button next to it. While it's easy to cancel a payment request, it's important to understand the limits of what can be canceled. If a payment has already been sent or a request has been fulfilled or paid, unfortunately, you won't be able to cancel it. Also, keep in mind that you can't cancel a payment you have received. Cancellations are limited to requests you originally made. Finally, if you've accidentally requested money from the wrong person and are unable to cancel for any reason, there's still an option available to you. Open the Venmo app and send a polite message to the person you mistakenly requested money from. You can explain the situation and kindly ask them to either ignore or decline the request. Most of the time, people will understand and help you rectify the mistake. So there you have it. By following these instructions, you should have no trouble canceling a Venmo payment request, whether you're using the mobile app or the website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and be sure to check out our other videos for more useful tips and tricks.